So today we are going to do question one for video three. And yeah, so the first group will be equals or more than smaller or equal to 10,000. So here we went into the input variable place and they will change for the output variable. So this is would be the old variables into a new variables. So the group one we have to change, and the new value will be, I'll name it as group one. And for the range it will be like, yeah, it will be smaller or equals to 10,000. So I'll add this. So yeah, now moving on to the group two would be 10,000 to smaller or equal to 15,000. So I'll use this range and I'll just put the values in for group two. Yeah, and I'll name it as group two as the new value and press add. So now moving on to group three, it will be between 15,000 and to 20,000. Yeah, so we will use back the same range, and yeah, and the new value I'll be naming it as group three and press add. So moving on to the last group for question one, it will be group 4, which is equals to 20,000, which will use the highest value, since if it's at 10,000, I would use group 4. So I'll be naming it as group 4 and press add and continue. So now I'll be naming it, and then once the group beginning of salary into four groups, so I'll be naming it as salary group. And this is for the laboring, which will be labeled as salary group. Yeah, and this is all. And press OK. So as you can see, it will show all the groups. So moving on to question two, obtain a simple bar chart for the group beginning salary. So here we press into bar charts and summarize it. And we already did the summarization, so it will be like this. So this will be the answer for the question two. It will be just a simple bar chart. So moving on to question three, it will be similar to question two, but with uh, a cluster chart and with gender. So here we will go to the bar chart again. Yes, clustered, and we press define. So here for the category, it will be same as the beginning salary, and we will put in the gender because the questions wants us to do it as gender. And here you can see female and male for the answers. Yeah. So here we put define group salary, and yeah, this is for question number four, which is the pie chart. And question number five, obtain a cross tab for gender and the group beginning salary. How many males earn a salary of more than 20,000? So here we will use descriptive cross tab, and then we will put the salary group, and we'll put gender since it was the gender and group beginning. So here, yeah, it will be something, this table where it shows females and male. So for the last question, question number six, here we'll be adding variables inside the variable view section. So here will be salary M, as the question wants us to do salary males, and so yeah. Here the dollar sign would be for the salary, because salary is money, so we'll be using dollar signs. And the label will be beginning salary for males. And here describe the missing values, so there will be no missing values. We will show as zero if there's any. And we will be using measurements as scale. So now for B, it will want us to add a new variable, which is salary F, which is basically salary for female, and it will be same thing. And here I did a typo mistake by accident, so it will be salary and F for female. So it will be basically the same thing as the above for male, and we will put dollar, and there will be no decimals, and beginning salary bracket female. And here will be same, 0, and the scale will be still, the measure will be put scale, yes. So now we have salary M and salary F as the new column. So here we are moving the values as it is already organized into females right now. So right now I'll be copying all the salary beginnings for females first. So we will be highlighting all until female. Yeah, so we stop at here since it's already starting to change to male and female. So female will be here. So we'll be pasting it at salary F, which is salary female. Paste in, and there you go. And now we will do the same for salary male, which we will scroll down and you can see, yeah, salary beginning male, and we'll just copy it, highlight it all until the end. Yeah, here, copy, and we scroll up to the start of the salary male place. Yeah, here, and we just paste it in. And that is all for number 6. And we will have to do here descriptive, and we have to do beginning salary male and female, because it wants us to find the maximum and minimum. So yeah, we have to generate that graph and options. We'll remove the standard deviation because it's just one maximum and minimum, and I'll remove the mean too and continue. And okay, so here you go. This is the maximum and minimum